And the race is on. They leap in unison away from the gate. Damong Ligaw, Paris Melody, Gobernador, Ikaw Banyaw, Speedmaker, Wild Ginseng, Yes Pogi is running in between runners. Back to the front runner, Speedmaker, Ikaw Banyaw, Paris Melody, Damong Ligaw, rushing up by Drals, Wild Ginseng, Yes Pogi is joining them. Gobernador is racing in 7th position. Sweet Daddy's Girl Danori inside. And rounding the far turn, Speedmaker, Wild Ginseng to grab the lead. Wild Ginseng, Speedmaker, Ikaw Banyaw, Yes Pogi, Paris Melody. And with the last 500 meters more to run, Wild Ginseng by a length and a half. Ikaw Banyaw, Yes Pogi is running by Dral. And with the last 300 meters more to run, Wild Ginseng by about 2 lengths, followed now by Yes Pogi, Ikaw Banyaw on the outside, but still Wild Ginseng, Ikaw Banyaw on the outside, and nearing the finish line, Wild Ginseng, Ikaw Banyaw, Yes Pogi, Damong Ligaw, Paris Melody, Speedmaker, Super 6.